Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix your DeepSeek error saying the server is busy, please try again later. Now, if you can't access your DeepSeek platform, what you can do is go to this website, go to the openrouter.ai and search for the DeepSeek. And here, you will be able to see the different models that you can use to get the API keys of DeepSeek. Now, if you can access the DeepSeek chat, go to this website, go to the huggingface.co, and click on Spaces. And then from there, search for the DeepSeek R1. And then after that, you can choose the model that you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this one. And you can start now the chat. And as you can see, the DeepSeek already replies to our chat. And that's how you fix your DeepSeek error. The server is busy. Please try again later. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.